Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make this beautiful textured crochet pattern. It looks the same on the both sides. I made it with a gradient yarn, and in order to cast on for this design, you have to keep in mind that each of this element needs 2 stitches, so we have to cast on multiple of 2 plus 1 stitch on each side, so 2 in total plus 1, so it's multiple 2 plus 3 stitches. Let's get started. For this project, we are going to use a 5.5 millimeters hook. We are going to start by making a slip knot, and then we will chain multiple of 2 plus 3 stitches. I will chain 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. We will work on our first row with single crochets in each stitch. 1, the second one, I am at the end of the row, my last single crochet. Then we will chain 1, flip the work. We will start our second row by making a single crochet into the first stitch. We will skip the next stitch and make a single crochet into the next one. And we will go then back to the slipped stitch and we will make 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we will grab the yarn and pull it through until the first stitch. We will grab the yarn again and we will pull it through. Then we will skip the next one and work a single crochet into the second one. Go back to the slip stitch and make 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull the yarn through until the first stitch here, and then pull it through both of them. And we will do like this until the last stitch of the row. We will skip one, make 1 single crochet, and then go back to make 4 loops into the skipped stitch. Let's do this one more time. 1 single crochet into the second stitch, go back and make 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I am now at the end of this row. I will skip the next one, make 1 single crochet into the second one, go back and make 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 1 stitch left and I will make 1 single crochet here, chain 1, and turn the work. I will then make a single crochet into the first stitch here, skip the next one, and into the second one another single crochet, go back into the skipped stitch and make 4 loops. 3 and 4. Pull it through, continue like this. I am now at the end of this row and I will do the same. I will make into the last stitch 1 single crochet, chain 1, and turn the work. This is how it looks so far, and you can continue with this exact same pattern until you reach the desired length. We will always start with 1 single crochet and finish with 1 single crochet. We will skip one and make 1 single crochet into the second one and turn back and make 4 loops. So let's do it one more time. 1 single crochet into the first stitch, skip one, make 1 single crochet into the second, go back here and make 4 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Grab the yarn, pull it through until the first stitch here, and then pull it through both of them. I made 7 rows so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will now close my work by making another row with only single crochets in each stitch. I have now finished my square. I also waved in my ends. This is how it looks on the back side. This is how it looks on the front side. It basically looks the same. I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows in total. And I have started with a single crochet row and finished as well with another single crochet. Happy crochet!